There are literally thousands of people, homes and businesses that have been severely impacted by the floods in northern New South Wales. This is Sea Space, an arts non-profit organisation for people with disabilities. Sea Space is run by my friend Sunita and her partner Zeb. They do amazing work in Lismore. They heeded all the flood warnings. They raised every single possession to the second floor of their building here, which not in the history of floods in Lismore had ever been impacted. You can see probably the flood line just around the windows on the second floor. Every single possession that they have has been destroyed in the flood. I've decided to, as it were, adopt Sea Space as my fundraiser to help get this organisation running again, because it does such amazing work. And so I'm asking my friends and colleagues in Australia and overseas if they might support the fundraiser, and I'll give the website in my email or Facebook.